Introduction. Apply structured decision frameworks to select between traditional AI, Gen AI, or hybrid approaches based on problem characteristics and requirements. Welcome to this session where you will learn how to use systematic decision-making tools to choose the most suitable AI approach for your projects. Selecting the right AI method, traditional, generative, or a combination depends on understanding your problem, data, and goals clearly. Understanding traditional AI. Traditional AI encompasses classic machine learning and rule-based systems that rely on structured data and defined algorithms. It is effective for problems requiring precise predictions, classifications, or automation where data is labeled and outcomes are well understood. Understanding generative AI. Generative AI models create new data, text, images, or other outputs by learning complex patterns from large datasets. They excel in tasks involving creativity, content generation, or scenarios with unstructured data where new, synthetic outputs are valuable. What is a hybrid approach? Hybrid AI combines traditional and generative methods to leverage strengths from both. For example, a system might use traditional AI for core predictive tasks and Gen AI to generate explanations or augment data. This approach can offer greater flexibility and performance in complex scenarios. The importance of structured decision frameworks. Choosing the right AI approach can be challenging without a clear process. Structured decision frameworks help break down the problem, assess requirements, and evaluate trade-offs systematically. This reduces risks, saves time, and improves solution effectiveness. Key factors to consider in decision-making. When selecting an AI approach, evaluate factors such as data type and availability, complexity of the problem, interpretability needs, computational resources, and business objectives. Each factor influences which method is most appropriate. Steps in applying a decision framework. Start by clearly defining the problem and goals. Next, assess your data characteristics, whether it is structured or unstructured, labeled or unlabeled. Then, consider performance requirements, explainability, and deployment constraints. Finally, match these needs against the strengths of traditional AI, Gen AI, or hybrid approaches. Using examples to guide selection. For instance, if your goal is to automate loan approvals with transparent criteria, traditional AI might be best. If you need to generate realistic customer communications or synthetic data, Gen AI could be more suitable. If both are required, a hybrid system may be the optimal choice. Benefits of applying structured frameworks. Following a framework ensures decisions are objective and repeatable. It helps stakeholders understand the rationale behind AI choices and align solutions with organizational goals. It also prepares your team to adapt as requirements evolve. Challenges and mitigation strategies. Decision frameworks may require detailed inputs and cross-functional collaboration, which can be time-consuming. To mitigate this, use iterative approaches and leverage AI tools to analyze problem characteristics and suggest options, accelerating the decision process. Reflecting on your current projects. Think about recent AI projects you have worked on. Did you have a clear framework guiding the selection of AI methods? How might using a structured decision process have impacted outcomes? Best practices for implementing decision frameworks. Involve diverse stakeholders to capture varied perspectives. Keep frameworks flexible to adapt to new technologies or data. Document decisions thoroughly and revisit them regularly. Combine quantitative metrics with qualitative insights for balanced choices. Tips for crafting clear decision prompts. When using AI to assist decision-making, be explicit about your problem scope, data type, and constraints. For example, ask Gen AI, given structured financial data and a need for explainability, recommend the best AI approach for fraud detection. Conclusion. Applying structured decision frameworks empowers you to select the most effective AI approach based on your problem's unique characteristics and requirements. Whether choosing traditional AI, Gen AI, or a hybrid, this method reduces guesswork and aligns solutions with business goals. Thank you for joining this session. Start integrating structured decision processes in your AI projects to enhance clarity, efficiency, and success.